Hi, we are Sophia,
Irdina,
Damia,
and Kyrina.
and we have created a product called
Snify!
Food spoilage and food waste are major global problems. Around one-third of all food produced in the world is wasted. When food spoils, it wastes important resources such as water, land, energy, and also money. It also contributes to environmental issues such as greenhouse gas emissions. Because of this, finding ways to detect spoilage early can help people reduce food waste and manage food more efficiently. To address this problem, we have created a product called Snify, a small-sized food spoilage detector. Snify monitors the freshness of food and estimates how long the food will remain safe to eat. It works using different sensors such as microcamera, gas sensor, temperature sensor, and humidity sensor. These sensors help detect early changes in food conditions before spoilage become obvious. Can also connect to an application on a device, allowing users to easily check the freshness of their food and receive estimates of the remaining time before it spoils. Food spoilage mainly occurs due to the activity of microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi. These microorganisms consume nutrients found in the food, including proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, to obtain energy for survival and reproduction. As they break down these nutrients, they produce byproducts such as gases, odors, and chemical compounds, which indicate that the food is starting to spoil.
These include change in texture, color, smell, and taste. Snify help detect these early biological signs of spoilage by monitoring environmental condition and physical change in their food. Chemically, food spoilage involves a series of biochemical reactions. For example, microorganisms break down protein through proteolysis, which can produce compounds such as ammonia and other nitrogen-containing gas. This chemical reaction release volatile compound and gas, which often cause the unpleasant odor associated with spoiled food. Snify uses gas sensor to detect this chemical byproduct, while temperature and humidity sensor monitor conditions that accelerate this chemical reaction. Snify detects this spoilage change using several sensors. For example, gas sensor can detect gases released by microorganisms, while temperature and humidity sensor monitor environmental conditions that affect microbiome growth. The microcamera can also observe visual change in the food. All these sensors work together to provide a more accurate estimate of food freshness. One of the main strengths of Snify is its ability to detect spoilage earlier than human sense. Another strength is the combination of multiple sensors, including gas, temperature, humidity, and microcamera. This allows the device to monitor several indicators of food freshness at the same time.
However, our project also has several limitations. First, different foods spoil at different ways, so a single detection system may not be equally accurate for all types of food. Second, sensor readings may be affected by external environmental factors, such as sudden temperature changes or humidity variations. In the future, several improvements could enhance the effectiveness of Snify. For example, the system could use artificial intelligence or machine learning to analyze sensor data and predict spoilage more accurately. Additional sensors could also be included to detect specific gases produced by certain bacteria. Compared to these traditional methods, Snify provides continuous monitoring and earlier detection using sensor technology. This allows users to make more accurate decisions about food safety and reduce unnecessary food waste.
Here, we have a summary of the cost of components. The prices vary across different websites. However, we have taken the average for each component. As you can see, the total is 47.2 ringgit, which can be seen as quite affordable for this type of innovation.
In relation to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, our project relates to Sustainable Development Goal number 2, Zero Hunger, which aims to ensure food security and reduce hunger worldwide. By reducing food spoilage and waste, Snify can help ensure that more food remains available for consumption instead of being discarded.
Snify also supports SDG 3, which is the Sustainable Development Goal number 3, good health and well-being. Snify can detect spoiled food early, which can help prevent people from consuming contaminated food, which may reduce the risk of foodborne illnesses and improve overall health. Finally, Snify also contributes to Sustainable Development Goal 12, which is talking about responsible consumption and production. By helping households to monitor food freshness and reduce waste with using Snify, this device totally encourages more sustainable consumption habits and more responsible use of resources. Our device could help reduce food waste by providing early warnings before the food spoils, which allows people to consume their food while it is still fresh instead of throwing it away, which increases the food waste that is piled up. By reducing this, Snify could contribute to better food management, lower costs, and a more sustainable environment for us to live in the future. In conclusion, Snify is an innovative concept that combines science and technology to address the issue of food spoilage. And by using sensors to monitor food conditions and estimate spoilage time, this product Snify can help individuals and households make better decisions about their food. With that, thank you for listening to our presentation.